What is the Admiral Club American Airlines? Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So the Admiral Club is American Airlines network of airport designed to offer travelers a more comfortable and convenient pre-flight experience. These lounges are designed to provide a relaxing environment away from hustle and bustle of airport terminals. So how do you get in? Option 1, buy an annual membership. It starts from $50 a year. Next option is to fly in business or first class on select international routes. So is it worth it? Honestly, it depends on your travel style. If you fly American Airlines regularly, especially long haul or through big hubs like Miami, it's a solid upgrade. But if you are more of a one-year vacationer, maybe not, you'll probably be fine grabbing overpriced coffee and people watching at gate 298. So, to wrap it up, the Admiral Club is all about convenience and comfort. It won't change your life, but it might just save your sanity on a longer layover. So if you can access it through points, park, or premium seats, it's a no-brainer. So that's what the Admiral Club is all about. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.